Virgin Mary, help of Christians, how sweet it is to come to your feet, imploring your perpetual help. Give earthly mothers this not to remember their children. How can you, the most loving of all,